हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टमक पार्ट 2। स्टमक पार्ट 2 में हम बात करेंगे आर्टेरियल सप्लाई ऑफ स्टमक, वेनस ड्रेनेज ऑफ स्टमक, थर्ड इज द लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज ऑफ स्टमक एंड द नर्व सप्लाई ऑफ द स्टमक। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं ब्लड आर्टेरियल सप्लाई ऑफ द स्टमक। सो दिस इज द सीलियर ट्रंक give a first branch toward the lesser curvature of the stomach, upper part of the lesser curvature of the stomach, that is the left gastric artery. Second give a splenic artery which is running posterior to the stomach. इस स्टमक को posterior रन करेगा to reach the spleen. So is the spleen. This splenic artery give 5 to 6 short gastric branch. So this is the short gastric branch, and inferiorly give what lesser greater curvature of the stomach, left gastro-epiploic branch. Epiploic branch. This is the left gastric branch. And it also is the common hepatic branch. Common hepatic branch first is the right gastric branch. So this is the right gastric branch. Become a proper hepatic. From the proper hepatic we have gastroduodenal branch. So this is the gastroduodenal branch. Gastroduodenal artery give a superior to supraduodenal branch, and then the gastroduodenal artery running posterior to the duodenum and give a retroduodenal branch and come downwards to give a greater curvature of the stomach, that is a right gastro-epiploic branch. As the superior pancreatico-duodenal branch. Pancreas plus duodenum. Pancreatico-duodenal branch. So arterial supply of the stomach from the left gastric artery and right gastric artery. These two arteries anastomose to each other, the lesser curvature of the stomach. Second is the splenic artery, give a 5 to 6 short gastric branch supplying the fundus of the stomach. अब नीचे it give a left gastro-epiploic branch supplying the greater curvature of the stomach, which is anastomosed with the right gastro-epiploic artery branch from the gastroduodenal artery. Okay, so this is the branch from the gastroduodenal artery. So these two arteries anastomose with each other the greater curvature of the stomach. So this is the arterial supply of the stomach. Now the venous drainage of the stomach. So venous of the stomach is mainly in the portal vein, directly or indirectly into the portal vein. So this is the portal vein. So formation of the portal vein by the superior mesenteric vein and the splenic vein. So this is the splenic vein. So this is the splenic vein, and this is the spleen. In the splenic vein, there is a tributaries are 5 to 6 short gastric vein, and another tributary is a left gastro-epiploic vein. Left gastro-epiploic drainage to the splenic vein, or splenic vein form a portal vein along with the superior mesenteric vein behind the neck of the pancreas. So this is the superior mesenteric vein. This is the superior mesenteric. So in the superior mesenteric vein, right gastroepicloic vein. So this is the right gastroepicloic vein. Right gastroepicloic vein. Drainage into the superior mesenteric vein and this is the splenic vein. So these are the tributaries of the portal vein, and directly the left gastric vein. So this is the left gastric vein and right gastric vein. So this is the right gastric vein directly drained to the portal vein. So this is the portal vein, and portal vein drained to the liver to the porta hepatis. So this is the portal venous drainage of the stomach. Lymphatic supply of the stomach and the nerve supply of the stomach. So lymphatic supply is a very important to know the carcinoma of the stomach. स्टमक को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया, लेफ्ट 1/3, राइट 2/3. लेफ्ट 1/3 को फर्दर 2 पार्ट में कर दिया, अपर 1/3 एंड लोअर 2/3. इसको बोलते हैं अपर 1/3, बन जाएगा लोअर 2/3. जो राइट साइड है along the lesser curvature, again इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. लार्ज अपर पार्ट इज अ 2/3 and lower part is a 1/3. So this upper 1/3 part of the stomach is drained into the pancreatico-splenic lymph node. So there is a pancreatico-splenic lymph node. Pancreatico-splenic lymph node. So this area is the pancreatico-splenic lymph node. Lower 2/3 of the along with the greater curvature is drained into the right gastroepicloic lymph node. So the right gastroepicloic node or lymph node. Now the right side, that is the upper 2/3, is drained with the left gastric lymph node. So this is the left gastric lymph node. And the lower 1/3, this part is drained with the right gastric lymph node. This is the right gastric lymph node. One point also, this lower part along with this is the pyloric part. So the pyloric part is the pyloric lymph node. So this is the pyloric node. This lymph node, the lymphatic from this lymph node is drained to the celiac trunk. So it is the celiac trunk. Here from there is the hepatic lymph node, So this is the hepatic lymph node. So directly, indirectly, all lymphatic from all lymph node is into the celiac lymph node. So this is the celiac lymph node, and this from the celiac lymph nodes, all lymphatic is directed to the cisterna coil, that is the thoracic duct. Okay, so this is about the lymphatic drainage of the stomach. Now the nerve supply of the liver. Nerve supply of the stomach. So stomach is supplied by the two nerves, two types of the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. So sympathetic from T6 to T10 of a spinal segment. From T6 to T10 of a spinal segment, which is vasomotor in functions and motor to the pyloric instinctor. So this motor to the pyloric instinctor and inhibit the gastric muscular activity of the stomach. So this is the sympathetic nerve supply. Parasympathetic is by the vagus nerve. By vagus nerve. So vagus nerve give a two trunk, that is the anterior trunk and the posterior trunk. Okay, so anterior trunk supplying the anterior surface of the stomach, posterior trunk supplying the posterior surface of the stomach. So anterior trunk passes into the abdomen, anterior to the esophagus, and anterior to the esophagus is give a first branch, that is a hepatic branch. Hepatic is the anterior trunk. Anterior trunk. That is the hepatic branch, and hepatic branch also supply the pyloric part of the stomach. So this is the pyloric part. Second branch, it give a celiac branch toward the celiac trunk. Okay, so this is the celiac branch. Third branch, which is continue as a gastric branch. This is the gastric branch of the anterior trunk, also known as a nerve of Lombardet. So this is the anterior trunk sympathetic, parasympathetic nerve supply the anterior surface of the stomach. Second is the posterior trunk. So this is the posterior trunk passing into the abdomen, supply the posterior surface of the stomach behind the esophagus. Behind the esophagus is the first branch, that is the celiac branch. Supply the celiac ganglion. Okay, so this is the celiac branch. Second branch supply the fundus of the stomach, that is the Gracie branch, gastric Gracie branch. ठीक है ना? And third branch is again, this is the known as a branch of nerve of Lombardet. Okay, so this is the all about the nerve supply of the stomach. Thank you. कितना हो?
6 मिनट 17 मिनट हुआ, तो काट देंगे तो कम हो जाएगा।
बहुत टाइम लगता है भैया रे।
तो टाइम नहीं रहता है ना।